Is your Windows PC running low on storage? Before you start deleting random files or installing cleanup software, try this instead. In the next few minutes, I'll show you one of the safest way to free up gigabytes of unnecessary files already sitting in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Everything we're doing uses built-in Windows tools, so there is nothing extra to download. Let's get started. We'll start with one of the quickest cleanup locations. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type Prefetch, then press Enter. If Windows asks for administrator permissions, click Continue. You will see a folder containing cached of information. Windows uses speed of application launches. Over time, some of these files becomes outdated and no longer needed. Now press Ctrl A to select everything. Then press Shift Delete to permanently remove the files. Click Yes and delete it. If Windows says some files are currently in use, that's completely normal. Just click Skip and Windows will remove everything else. Now let's clear another location that often fills up with unnecessary files. Press Windows R again, type Temp and press Enter. Now here again, if Windows asks for administrator permissions, click Continue. Once the folder opens, press Ctrl A. These are temporary files left behind by installers, applications, and Windows itself. Most of them are no longer needed, and removing them is completely safe. Now again, press Shift Delete and click Yes. Again, if Windows tells you some files are in use, simply choose Skip, or you just select Do This for All and then click on Skip. Now let's clean the folder that usually takes the most space. Open Run again with Windows R. Now type %temp%. That's a percent sign followed by temp, another percent sign. Now press Enter. Depending how long you've been using your computer, this folder can easily contain several gigabytes of temporary files. Press Ctrl A to select everything, then again press Shift Delete. Click Yes. If a few files are locked by Windows or another applications, just select Skip, or you also choose Do This for all current items, and then click on Skip. Again do this. Everything else can be safely removed. Now let's use one of Windows' most powerful built-in cleanup tool. Press Windows R one more time. Now type Cleanmgr and press Enter. Choose C drive if prompted, then click OK. Now click Clean up System Files. Select C drive again, click OK. Windows will scan your computer for removable files. When the list appears, check items such as Windows Update Cleanup, Delivery Optimization Files, Temporary Internet Files, Thumbnails, Recycle Bin, and previous Windows installations if available. Before you click on OK, take a look at the total amount of space Windows says you can recover. And you might be surprised, on some systems, it can easily be 100 gigs of size or even more. Now click on OK, choose Delete Files. Depending on how much Windows has to remove, this process could take anywhere from a couple of minutes to 10 minutes. That's completely normal. Once everything finishes, just restart your computer. Not only you will recover valuable storage space, but Windows may also feel a little more responsive, especially if your drive was getting close to full. If this video helped you free up some space, let me know how much storage you recovered in the comments. I'd love to see the result. If you enjoyed straightforward Windows tips, practical PC guides, and Microsoft updates without jargon, consider subscribing via Sektor. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.